Hello all, this is Emmerich from metal-detecting-forum.co.uk. Nokta Engineering has kindly sent me their latest machine, which is called the Velox 1. In this video I'm just going to basically be doing an unboxing and just showing you a closer look at the components. Later on in another video I'll be showing you the assembly and then finally taking it out to the field. So if you want to subscribe to the channel and follow me with this machine, then please do so. Right, let's get to it. Like that. Get a little bit of packaging out of the way. And first off, we see the usual, the manual showing the various warnings, assembly, controls, etc. and various settings. We have the Nokta 2-year warranty. And what can we look at first? Let's have a look at this battery pack. Now this battery pack is similar to what they used on the Nokta Golden Sense, which is quite a nice strong piece of kit, and it's got a really thick nice flex lead coming out. We've got something that wasn't on the Nokta, which is this belt clip, so that would just clip on your belt, or there is an option for an additional optional accessory you can actually have on the main control, so it will attach to that, but that doesn't come as standard. On the top here you have the power little LEDs, so if you press that button they will light up 1, 2 or 3 depending on how much charge is left in it, and you can see they're all lighting up, so that's fully charged battery. Right, so we put that aside and yes, what can we have a look at now? And what we can look at, now we've brought the battery pack out, is the power charger. Now, this is similar to what they had with the Golden Sense. It is a 2-pin, so you will need an adapter, but they only cost you a couple of pounds. This is a sample detector, so maybe they will put an adapter in for the UK market, I have no idea. But what happens there is it's just quite simplistic. You just plug it in, charge it up with your adapter. Hey ho, there you go. So that's the charger. Just put all that aside. It's simple enough. And now here we have the main unit. Now the main unit looks a really chunky, heavy bit of kit. It's very, very strong and solid. You can clearly see that. But at the same time, it is very, very light. You can see that the arm cuff is solid. And it's got the extra padding in there, it's always nice. You've got a really chunky Velcro strap there, which is good. We've got a few more settings here. We've got the sensitivity, iron to scrim, ground balance. You can have iron on or off switch. All the switches seem quite solid, quite nice quality. This is a new feature. This is a signal audio boost for those little faint targets, those little coins that are deep. One is off, you've got a 2 boost and an extra boost. What else have we got on here? There we go, volume control, headphone socket, speaker, and if we go around here we've got the basic on switch, so it's off, on. We've got 3 settings this time of mineralization. If your ground's got mineralization in it, extreme, you can't actually ground balance it very well, then you've got 3 settings to overcome that. Really strong stiff button there, and we'll switch it off. You've got this battery input and a coil input, and that is that, and that's quite a nice unit, and that's going to be quite nice to have as a counterbalance for the coil. The coil is not a huge ginormous 16-inch coil this time, but there is an optional one that's around 15 by 17 if you want to purchase that one. But this one comes with the standard with an 11-inch coil. So this on the end of an 11-inch coil is going to balance it quite nicely. Right, let's have a look. The bag of bits, the usual bag of bits. We've got, looks like we've got doubled up, so they've actually put 2 lots in here, which is quite nice. And you've got the washers. You've got the washers, there you go. And there's your wing nut, your washer, and you've got another washer for the other side. There you go. And you've got 2 sets, which is quite nice. So we'll put those away. That's for the, obviously for this the search head to the lower stem to connect that. It comes, I'm not sure if these are just sample or if this is what you would get if you purchased it, but this is a set of Philips headphones. I'm not sure about those, I've not used those, but I could let you know at a later date. So Philips headphones, but you might, if you purchase it, you might get different ones, I'm not sure, because this is the sample machine. We got a chance to look at this search head, this double D search head. There you go. It's got a huge, thick, strong lead coming from that. You're not going to get any problems with that. And it comes with the scuff attachment on the bottom, the coil cover. That's already on. I'm not going to take that off in case that's stuck on. And that is much light, obviously a much lighter coil because it's 11-inch coil. So that'd be fine. Let's put that aside. We've got a main handle with the S-stem. There's no weight to it at all. It just feels weightless, nothing to it. One thing they have got is those like retractable pins. So you push the lower part of the stem in, and it also secures with a little one of those retractable pins. So not only you've got the cam lock, you've got the retractable pin as well. But that's the type of pin we're talking about, these retractable ones. Right, let's have a look. What else have we got in here? It should be just down to the lower and upper stem. Now here's the upper stem with the retractable pin that goes in, and the cam lock and the various settings. Now all we've got left is the lower stem with the retractable pin again, and the recesses for putting the washers and attaching it to the search head. And that at the moment is about it. If you enjoyed watching that and you want to follow this the next stage, which is the assembly, please subscribe to the channel and please remember to like the video, that'd be much appreciated. And that's the Nokta Velox 1. We look forward to seeing how that copes out in the field. Fantastic. Thank you and best of luck to all. Emmerich signing out.